Spongy on the outside.
Ah.
Good girl.
Yes.
Well done.
Good morning mga lala. Sayo po may mata kasi it's Friday and may bisita kami. Magawa ako ng pandesal. Ayun si Dada, oh. Morning, sweetie. Put it here.
Put this underneath at the back here just to protect it. The seat, that is. This is the bar. Take out, put the seat belt through there, clip it in, make sure that both belts are here, put this back, push back in, lock it, and this over the back of the seat, and then clip it in, and then just pull to tighten. Yeah. She's still in the bed or she's next to you now?
She's in the bed.
Still in the bed?
She was, her leg was really on the thing already. On the, what is that? Was, her legs were hanging there. And I thought she will really go. But then, when I look at her, she went back. Maybe she thinks that, oh, Dada's here. I need to go back. I'm going to make pandesal. We don't have bread. Gumawa din pala ako ng kasava kahapon. Ito yun siya. 2 kasava cake. Ayan. Lagay ko muna sa fridge para lumamig na. Ayan, humot kayo. Tapos maghiman ako pandesal. Glibog na siya ron. Glibog siya. Dakan makagtao. Tanaw ko siya kilakaw. Glibog siya. Hold, uncle. Hold, uncle.
Here.
Yeah. Good morning, uncle. Kiss uncle na good
Good
morning.
morning naman siya.
Na good morning na
Yeah,
siya.
she went to the bedroom.
She went to the bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh, she thinks that maybe Dada is there.
Good morning.
She was so surprised.
Yes, you're so surprised that you're so shy.
Siya kabungot man ni ang kuan. With a lot
Uncle.
of beer.
Huh?
Mama's making pandesal. Ano? Oh, good. Kiss Mama. Good morning, babe. Mama did not hear kay Mama was making pandesal.
Very
Vlogging,
good.
Mama was vlogging.
Yeah. Wala, I did not vlog mo. Yeah.
Do you remember us?
You remember Uncle Jurgen and Uncle Juffy? Ano? Shush, idal. O, yung pukang ka. Okay.
Where is your nose?
Show the nose.
I see your nose. Your beautiful, beautiful nose. See, smiling siya.
아무도 모르게 조심하는데도 티가 나나 봐. I'm really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Hey, hey.
Come on, good. She just woke up, that's why.
Just sleepy.
Wait. Cover your nose. Cover your nose. No. No, mama. No, mama. Say, no, mama. No, mama. Say, no, mama. No, mama. Not my nose, mama.
There's something in dirt here. I don't know dirt or maybe the same as here.
Okay. Good girl.
Yes.
Well done.
Okay, moment, anak. Yeah, but did you make the bowl already? Not yet. Moment. Moment, please.
Kaya matikayan, gano'n siya na yan.
Wala pa ba itong buyag? Okay, here.
Pati siya ba?
Here, anak. Here. Put it here. Yeah, uncle, watch uncle, ha? Yeah, roll it in the breadcrumbs.
Put it in here. Good girl.
Yes.
Well done. Yeah, roll it over. Yes.
Roll it, anak, so that mama, this will be finished na.
Yeah. Other side, this side here. Yeah, roll it over. 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 Pick it up. Pick it up.
Pick it up, anak.
Pick it up. Roll. Yeah. Other hand. This side doesn't have crumbs. Sophia, look. Sophia, look. There are no crumbs here. Put it back in. Put it back.
Pick it up, anak, and then
Put it back. Pick it up. Yeah. Up. Put it in. Come on.
this
Pick
one
it up.
again. No, wala na.
Kunti lang na siya.
Nasa that will eat breakfast.
Hindi siya ginahan mo hawit sa kuan balas-balas.
Mukhang
Yes.
nag-inarte. Do you like that na lang, anak ko? Like that, anak ko?
Yeah, sprinkle. Sprinkle the crumbs. Come on. Sprinkle the crumbs. Yes. Now here.
Very good.
On the dough. Yeah, good girl. On the dough.
Pwede na ka mahagbong tanan na. Yes, here, mama has
Trending
to.
yun imong vlog. Mahagbong ning tanan. Here,
First
on the
two, baby.
dough. Not here. Here.
On top
Sprinkle
of the,
here.
On top of the donut. Yes.
Ah, good girl. Well done.
Wow.
Well done.
Yeah.
Some more? Some more?
More.
Some more? Hindi siya kinamawit.
Arty, no? Arty. Here, mama has 3 already. You know. Cover them with the breadcrumbs.
Here.
Naduwa mi agad.
Yes, wonderful.
Wow, there's wonderful. There's wonderful, ano? Oh, this one is big one.
Meron po tayong fresh pandesal, freshly baked. Did you want bread? You already have bread. You already have bread. Do you want more? Watch out. Ayan guys, freshly baked pandesal. Hindi po ito low carb sa Uy, Christine. High carbs to. High carbs is life.
It's not for Jenga.
Okay na, sige, taste the pandesal
Low
again.
carb ba siya? She doesn't eat egg.
Wow naman.
Over naman.
Stage, very acting to.
Sarap kayo.
Wow naman.
Arty. Is this it?
It's crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside. That's exactly how it's supposed to be.
Sophia's laughing. Uy, you understand, anak? Yeah?
A few moments later.
A day out again.
Hello!
I'm with my palabla.
Hi mga lalab! And hi sa mga maarting
Nation.
mga
Maarteng
nation!
Maldito.
Hi dyan kay baby! Hi anak! Diyan ka doon. Liyo siya. Ay sus!
Go look there. Nice again na siya ko ano. Iyang makaputi.
Siyempre.
Pero ang iPhone po kay makakuan. Makakinis.
Again?
Wait, where are your eyes? Eyes? Yeah. Where are your fingers? Show me your fingers. Come on, Sophia. Fingers. Oh, that's your ear. Fingers. Yeah, fingers. Yeah.
Tit.
Where are your teeth?
your head?
What else do you know?
Did you bring the...
Where's your hair? Good.
A few moments later.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에
Mga lalab! Na-miss ko kayo! Na-miss niyo ba ako? Choring. Sushi for lunch! Ayan o, mga sushi lovers. Ayan. Maarteng Maldito, don't forget to subscribe. Again. And what we have is, we have shrimp. We have the dream box. We have the sushi royale. We have chicken and the timaki. At saka yung banana. Wow. Thank you. Sponsored by
매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy.
Hello! Kain na tayo eh. Gutom na. Kanina ako gasig tuyok-tuyok pa.
Yan, may halamig ang wara-wara, guys.
Why na buhat? Sophia! No. Eat.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와
A few moments later.
Ay, mga lalab, ano na? Alas 8 na ng gabi, nakatulog na si Sophia. Super excited siya natulog buong araw. So, ngayon, knock-out. And then, maghilamos lang ako. Tapos, mag-edit ako ng vlog kasi wala akong vlog today. So, bukas na yung vlog natin. So, ang daming sobrang pagkain na sushi. Tapos, si Bana nag-Greeks. Kasi, hindi siya masyadong sa sushi. So, yung ating order, i-hold natin yan tomorrow or next day. So, hello mga lalab! Matagal na din tayo hindi nakaka-shoutout. So, meron nag-request natin sa atin. And, i-shoutout na din natin yung ating mga bagong viewers, bagong subscribers, lahat-lahat na nag-comment. So, gawin nating madali. So, si Ma'am Rose Bueno, sabi niya, mas nalamangan ko daw ng lahi. Si Bana, kasi yung mukha daw ni Sophia is more on me. Siguro alam ko na yung ilong siguro, no? Katulad sa akin, ma'am, no? Pero okay lang yan. Para talagang tatak mama yung anak ko. And we also have Roy Kimay 17. Hello. The L Files. We have Terry Habit, si Ma'am Susan, Jeron and Kin, si Ma'am Alma Mendoza, bago din siya sa ating channel. Si Ma'am Nilda Estanyol. Siya po yung nagpapa-shout out. Shout out sa iyo, Ma'am Nilda Estanyol, and sana po na-enjoy niyo po yung aming mga videos. And we also have si Ma'am Fe Girarman and si Ma'am Marilyn Atilano. Sabi niya, nakita din kita idol ulit sa notification. Matagal na ba akong hindi nag-upload? Thank you po. We also have si Ma'am Josephine Calopez. Sabi niya, hello yan, ganahan ko kayo sa imo vlog. Liwat ni mo, Sophia. Oh, another points for me. Dalawa na. Wala talagang nagsasabi na liwat siya ni Bana, no? So, akin lahat-lahat. Si Sis Unal Ailesi, si Ma'am Luz Grano. Thank you for watching. Si Sis Pinay Moms Vlogs. Si Ma'am Lucita Martinez, palagi yan sa ating channel. Hello, Ma'am. Si Ma'am Amanda Ofilanda. Sabi niya, masarap daw yung aking pandesal. Thank you. And also to It's a Bing Thing, bago siya sa ating channel. Taga Scotland din siya. Family vlogs din yung ginagawa niya. So, thank you, si Sis Rubilin Fiel, Richelle B. Sino pa ba? Si Ma'am Carolina Andres. Sabi niya, I have started watching you since the collab of Hey Elfie. And you even look like her. My friend daw siya na kamukha ko. So, siguro maganda siya, Ma'am Carolina. Kasi maganda ako. No, joke lang. Ano lang tawag nito? Feeling ko lang maganda, pero I know hindi ako maganda. So, okay lang yon. So, iba-iba tayo ng kagandahan, uniqueness. Si Ma'am Sita Soriano, from San Francisco, California. Hello, Ma'am Sita Soriano. I know palagi kang nanonood. And sabi pa niya, pag malapit lang daw kami, siya daw ang magbibisit kang Sophia. So, very sweet. No? Alam ko lahat kayo nanonood dahil kay Sophia. Totoo ba yon? Pero okay lang. Natutuwa ako na andyan kayo na, nakikyutan sa anak ko. So, proud mama ako niyan. And, we also have si Ma'am Elsa Nicolas. Hello po. We have also Jen Gabriel. Hello, Sisi. Si Ma'am Nulet Mahusay. Palagi din to sa ating vlog. Hi yan, dito na naman ako sa vlog mo. Laging huli kasi busy sa paglalaba. Okay lang po yun, ma'am. Basta pag nanood kayo, comment down below para alam ko po na nanonood po kayo or nakita nyo yung vlog ko or nakita ko na andyan kayo. So, parang present ba? Kasi natutuwa ako pag yung mga names nyo pag nagko-comment, andyan kayo sa nitong vlog and sa next vlog so pag palagi kayong sinashoutout or nababasa ko, talagang ma-memorize ko na, nare-remember ko na yung mga pangalan ninyo. So, yon. Thank you. And also si Ma'am Miriam Kala. Wow, ganda. May bagong baby pang vlog. May bagong baby si Ecath. So, galing to siya kay Inday Ecath. So, thank you. And, yun na muna po kasi medyo mahaba na. So, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click lang po yung subscribe button. And, yun lang talaga. And, sobra ko pong na-appreciate yung mga comments ninyo, yung mga nanonood. Kasi natutuwa ako na nagva-vlog ako at saka nababasa ko yung comments niyo. So, yun lang muna mga lalab. And happy Monday, papasok po ako. Magkakasa po ako. Kasa means kasera dito. Kahera. So, cashier ako today. So, thank you. And love. Mwah!
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지